Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. We are outside of IKEA for 3 reasons: meatballs, Sweden, and deals. Mostly the deals. This video is not sponsored by IKEA or anything. I just like to do all the research to bring you the best deals on travel gear, and they happen to have some amazing stuff inside. Let's go check it out. The OGs. IKEA, the original light on the floor. So Sweden. As you can see, we're here in the marketplace in IKEA. This is where you will find all of your travel goodies. We have slippers, an array of colors for $3.99. Nice flat pack slippers. Gonna wear these on the plane. Gonna pack them in a packing cube. Don't take up too much room. Great to have on vacation. And if you really wanna go cheap, $1.99 for the open toe slippers. Then you have a cheap and inexpensive sleep mask. Great to have on the plane. I know the plane can provide one, but awesome to have one for yourself in the hotel room. This is only $3.99. Usually these cost upwards of $20. So IKEA, coming in with the deal. How is this robe only $30? There are a couple extra things here, a toiletry kit for $7.99 or some makeup remover stuff for $5.99. These aren't gonna be high priorities on my list because it doesn't come with a lot of organization, but I would grab the sleep mask and the slippers for your next trip. Here we have a toiletry bag for $5.49. Really simple, it's got a zipper, got a little hook hanger on the end. Pro tip, what I would like to use this for also, to place on your bedside table or if you're in an Airbnb right by the door. So they sell these little bins, like Tommy Bin makes one, the luggage company. So you just place it there and then on your way out, your keys, your phone, all your stuff goes in there so it's nice and organized. You can grab this, throw it in your backpack on the way out, or you can leave this as a little organizer at your front door. We have arrived, ladies and gentlemen, the IKEA travel section. Now you're gonna find some value in the suitcase, but they're not gonna be super valuable, so I wouldn't go for these. Think you can get higher quality for a similar price. Then you have the large backpack for about $55. For only about $20 more, you can get this awesome Tum Tuk bag. I reviewed that right here. I think the value comes when you go to these smaller bags. Only $17.99. We have the older version of this bag and we love it. Breaking down this backpack really quick. It is nice and spacious. You even have a laptop sleeve inside to fit a small tablet or laptop. You have 2 organization pouches, and then you have this front zipper pouch. The value you're gonna get for $17.99, top carry handle, backpack straps, could be great to throw on the kids. Highly recommend this one. Next step up, 5-gallon bag, kind of has this buckle top, much more spacious inside, and then you have the water bottle holder on the side with a nice front carry pocket. So if you're looking something that's a little bit more beefy, but will kind of flat pack in a suitcase, but this could be your everyday carry out in Europe, I think this is a great option for $30. Super affordable for a backpack. Lint brush for travel, only $2.99 at IKEA. This is gonna be your value section right here. You have a waterproof bag for only $3.99. You have packing cubes, yes, 3 packing cubes for only $5.99. You have a reusable book bag for $2.99, and then you have a reusable handbag for only $1.49. All of these things are great for travel, super affordable. You can be out of here for under 20 bucks and feel like you're really set up for your next trip. You have tons of different color options for these collapsible clothes organizers. They cost anywhere from $13 to $15. I have a great travel hack for this if you're traveling with kids. I want to emphasize that this is not a space-saving travel hack. It is a fun way for your kids to be organized on vacation and get ready for the day themselves. So before you go away, you're gonna lay out 4 or 5 outfits. You're gonna stack them with t-shirts, shorts, tops, bottoms, maybe throw a pair of pajamas in there, stack them up in your folding clothes organizer, and then fold it up. You can either throw that in the car if you're driving or grab a suitcase. This one from Level 8 is a clamshell open, so it's not really meant to fit something that is this tall. So you would want to get something that's a little bit deeper. I would not use the clamshell open. This one is from Travel Pro. It's a little bit deeper because it just has that top or front open, and then it's got some straps that you can pull it down. Again, takes up a lot of space, but a really fun way for the kids to be organized in the morning. Racking up the deals, 99 cents, under $1 USD for a hanger with 8 close grip clips. Let me show you how this works. This one's pretty self-explanatory. You can clip clothes in here for a small, compact travel drying rack. Can come in handy if things get wet. In this flat pack item, there are 3 bags. They look like this. It's only $9.99. So what I would do is if I'm traveling with kids or maybe just my wife, is set this bag up in a corner of the room, and then it becomes your laundry basket or your laundry bag. So that's 3 of them in this bag. This would pack down even flatter if you just brought one of them, and then you got a great laundry hamper, a traveling laundry basket all set up. Bungee cords for $3. Tiny, compact, good set of bungees, always handy while you're traveling. After you get your travel gear, you're gonna grab the Swedish meatballs. Bon appetit. Collapsible bucket. Who doesn't love a collapsible bucket? Look at this thing. Comes out, put the water and the soap in here. You can wash your clothes, hang them up. It doesn't store quite as flat as I would like. It's a little bit bulky, but if you're looking for a bucket, this is only $2.99. I would have really liked to have this on the cruise so I didn't have to wash the clothes in the sink, which can be a little dirty, and you can have your own kind of wash bucket.